Okay, so at the University of Utah, we're interested in finding a complete set of anterior neck coils that can be used to image the general population that are both cost-effective and clinically viable. Until we reach that, we can't really get to carotid MRI into the mainstream clinic. So we've been developing these neck-shape specific coils, prototype coils, lots of different sizes, and they provide really great SNR in the neck. The nice thing about these coils is they can integrate and work simultaneously with the OEM coils, and so it removes the need to remove the OEM coils from the table, and also gives a complete neurovascular imaging. So this is a set of clinical images that sort of demonstrate the use of using the OEM coils with a high-res NSS coil, and you can see quite a bit of difference there. But there's so many different neck shapes. The question is, how many coils do we really need to make a clinically viable set? So if you divide neck sizes into short, medium, long, and thin, medium, thick, it looks like there's a potential that you could need 9 or so different coils to image the general population. But we found that a lot of these sizes just don't really show up in standard practice, or not common. And we've also learned that you can put larger or smaller necks in larger coils. So you really have to have a good justification for developing another coil shape or size. And in our experience, we found that the bulk of our carotid patients fit in what we call the medium neck shape coil. And we've also had a fair number of patients that have the short, thick necks that need a larger diameter coil. And we've also found out that we needed the small neck coil for, not necessarily for carotid imaging, but for other anterior neck diseases that we've been studying at the University of Utah. So of 178 carotid patients that we've imaged at the U, 90% or so have been imaged with the medium-sized neck coil, and about 10% with a large NSS coil. So if you come to poster 16, we can talk more about our observations using these coils, including SNR and what happens with neck compression, repeatability, and even some unexpected bonuses with using the NSS coils. Thanks.